All right, good morning. Hello, guys. Welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So, today, as you can see, I'm coming to you with a haul, and hopefully, I have time. Hopefully, I have time because as of here lately, I've been doing videos right before I have to go to work. So, it's just convenient for me because I have to get ready. So, it's just hard for me because I have to get my little one ready in the morning. So that kind of carries over until the time I have to start getting ready for work. So, but when I can, I try to film while I'm getting ready. So, anyway, I'm trying to do this haul really quick this morning. And as you can see, it is a haul. So today, it's an F haul. And I want to say hello and good morning to my mother-in-law because she loves when I do unboxing. So if there's anybody out there that want to send me a box, go right ahead. Okay, we're going to get right into this. Let's open it. Hopefully, from the contents, we can do a look really quick. Ooh. Goodness, they really packed this in there. This is really nice. Wow. It's like so many layers. Okay, here's a layer. Here's a layer. Here's a layer. Here's a layer. And there's a layer. Okay, if else can do it, some of these other companies can. They got it in here, baby. Okay. So the first thing I will show is this beautifully precise precision sponge trio. How that looks. I was watching Jackie Ina's video, and she was saying the closest thing to the Beauty Blender is the e.l.f. sponge. So we shall see. So hopefully I'll be able to record really quick before I go to work using these sponges. It's kind of firm. I don't know. I have to wet it and see. But I do like the different sizes. I like having the different size options. So I don't know. We'll see. We might use this one. All right, put that to the side. And then next, I'll show you the packaging. It's called a Artist Mixing Palette, which is nice. I got a couple of these. I got one for myself, and I will probably take one to my office. I've always been about sanitation, and that was one of the first things I learned at MAC. Like, one of the first things they taught us is sanitation. So I'm always aware of, I'll do it for myself, but as far as doing my clients' makeup, I don't put anything on my bare skin. I usually will have something over it and use that as a palette. But I thought these were really cute when I saw these on e.l.f. because it has Velcro. It has Velcro on it. And you just fit it to your hand and put it around there. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And you just work off of that. Really cute. I love it. So I got one for myself and one for my kit at the office. And then we have, what is this? I don't know why I got this. Maybe they sent me this free. I don't know. All right, there's an Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold. Okay, that's cute. All right, and then what is this? A Baked Trio Eyeshadow in Bronze Bonanza. Okay. And then, I don't remember ordering this either, but okay. Maybe I was just throwing stuff in there to get to $25. Beautifully Bare Smooth Matte Eyeshadow in Nude Linen. I'm not going to swatch these right now just because I'm pressed for time. And then the number one reason why I went on to e.l.f. was for these. The 16hr Camo Concealer. So, we are going to put these babies to the test. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and wet. You know what? I think I would just wet all of them. That way I can determine which one I want to use. And then I'm going to get ready for work. So be right back. All right, guys, I'm back and I have wet my sponges. And there they are. They're all swollen and won't fit in the packaging anymore. Okay, so first things first. Moisturize my lips. That would be my doggy. Okay. Going in with my exfoliating pads. Slow down, girl. I'm looking at this e.l.f. concealer and I might have to go on and get another one because, I mean, it's a little bit lighter. I have to stop in the stores and see if they have them. Guys, I film in my basement and it is cold, so I'm going to have to turn my heater on. Hopefully it's not too loud. Okay, so for moisturizer, again, trying to finish this off. Actually, I'm going to be doing a video on these items soon. But I've been using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair products, and I love them. So that's all I'll say for now. We'll be doing a video on these soon. Especially for something like this, like skincare like this, which I would agree a lot of people do also. They like to use it for a while and see how it works. And then, you know, they'll often, you know, do a review on it or give their experience on it. So keep a lookout for that video. Okay, moisturize. All right, I'm trying to leave my house at 10 after 9. So I have a little less than an hour to get ready. We won't do our eyeshadow look today. We are just going to concentrate on skin. Primer, I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses Pore Minimizing. Do one pump of that. All right, for foundation, which I haven't worn this in a while, so we'll wear this. What is Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in D15. Almost finished with that, so we might as well finish that off. It is a little dark for me right now. This is my summer color, but I'm just gonna do a little bit. Don't really have a full day of work today. I get up around 3:30 today. Not a full 8-hour shift, but I have a bridal consultation when I get off, so do want to look decent for that. It's a little bit of coverage. Move that out. All right, so the microphone. All right, so the color of this concealer is Deep Chestnut. All right, let's open this baby and try it out. Again, I think the color is pretty close to my skin, so we shall see. That's how the packaging looks. It's a pretty thick tube. 16hr Camo Concealer. All right, let's see. Ooh, the wand on it is really thick. It's really big. so get some good coverage with that. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good for a everyday highlight, but I'll need something a little bit brighter, you know, when I want to step it up. So I'll be looking for another color. It's always hard to tell online when you're shopping, or, you know, when you see somebody do a review, trying to compare your color to theirs. Struggle. Pretty good coverage. Yeah, as far as this being close to the Beauty Blender, I think not. I mean, it's okay, but I have ones that are better than this. A little bit more. Yeah, I would definitely like a lighter coverage. And actually, I'm gonna switch sponges because I hear pet paws. Don't you guys come over here messing with me. Trying to get ready for work. Okay. So that's nice for an everyday concealer. You know, like I said, I'll have to get another color. Let's go ahead and set that. I'm gonna bake just a little bit with this to brighten a little bit. My little dog is real quiet. That means she's possibly in something. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, or start on my brows. All right, so I'm gonna dust that away. All right, and then I bought a contour color. I'm pretty sure I went ahead and purchased the darkest one. This one is Rich Ebony. That is definitely rich. Okay. I'll do it over here. Rich it is. When I contour my nose, my preference is to use a cream. I just like how the cream products look. You know, they don't look too harsh. But this is okay. I'm just doing something really quick today. All right, I'm gonna go in a little bit of my face powder, blend everything together. I'm gonna go in over this area here. Rid of that shading. Some blush. I'm going to go in with, what is this? Breath of Plum by MAC. Go in with my brow set. I'm gonna go in. You guys, I've been loving this palette, this Tarte palette from the BoxyCharm, the Rainforest of the Sea, #3 volume. This is good. Love it. We're not doing eyeshadow today, but I am going to do some lashes. You know what? I might do a wing. Let's do a wing. Let's do a little wing today. When I do my wing, I like to keep my eye open so I can see how much of my lid space I want to cover. All right, guys, so everything is done. I am headed to work. Foundation's done. Concealer is on. So I will come back after work. I have one client this afternoon. After that, I will come back and check back with you guys to let you know how the concealer wore for the day. All right, until then, I'll be back. All right, guys, so welcome back. I'm home from work. Let's see, what time is it? It is 7:50 right now. I had to be at work at 9:45. I got there around 9:30. So it's been almost 11 hours, as you can see. Concealer still looks nice. I do not on camera, but on my computer screen, I do see a little bit of shading underneath my eyes. So I would probably say the coverage is medium coverage, or I should have built it up a couple times, or at least one more time. The concealer itself is matte. It is, as Shayla say, she matte. As far as the color is nice. The color I purchased was the Deep Chestnut. It's really good for everyday highlight, but for us girls that like a little bit of glam, I would definitely probably go a couple shades up from this. So I will be looking to purchase a lighter color, but this will probably also really be good for a base for eyeshadow, doing cut creases and all of that such, because it dries down really quick. So in the future, I will probably either layer up really good or do one side at a time when I'm blending it out, because it actually started to dry as I was blending it out. So in my opinion, for $5, it's a really good concealer. Like I said, it's matte. All in all, I like the concealer. I really like it. It's really good coverage. As far as the shading underneath my eyes, I will probably build it up a couple more times to cancel that out. But I don't know. You guys let me know if you can even see the shading underneath my eyes. So in my opinion, it's good. I mean, for $5, it's a really good concealer, and it blended out really good. So I like it. The e.l.f. 16hr Camo Concealer is good. I will definitely be getting the lighter color to highlight with, and then also I like to get the lightest color of the line to use as a eyeshadow base. So I will be adding 2 more of those to my concealer collection. So that is it for me this afternoon, guys. So once again, thank you guys for joining Beauty Over 40, and remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.